automators. I got one here that will hopefully help some people because starting March in 2026, Microsoft is going to be removing Teams webhooks. So the only way to receive information within Teams is going to be through Power Automate. So let's jump right into it. I'll start the timer here and we'll get going. All right, so this is the article that briefly explains what is happening. It's kind of like I mentioned, the Teams webhooks are going away, so you're not going to no longer be able to do incoming webhooks like this. So I'm going to set it up pretty much the exact same way, and we'll trigger it the exact same way because I think Power Automate webhooks are one of the most powerful triggers and probably one of the most underutilized triggers as well. So right here, we're in our flow. This is going to be an automated flow. We're going to say when a webhook is received, I can likely just skip that anyways. We're going to add a trigger here. We're going to say webhook. It's actually a HTTP. If you want it to be like this, HTTP request is received. We're going to say anyone. The URL will get created. We're going to, for now, we'll just leave it blank. And then because this is just going to be replaced in Teams, we're just going to make it very easy. And we're going to send in a message in Teams. Post a message in chat or channel. We're going to say the flow bot. We're going to say channel. In this case, because most times I've seen these webhook triggers set up, they're sending to a channel. We're going to send it to MTG just because that one's not very populated. So we'll go there. And then we're just going to, right now, we're going to send the whole body of the webhook to the, while we're doing that, I'm going to open up Gemini, create a HTTP webhook trigger in PowerShell saying that time is up and we need to start over something. That will be, I just do this because it's a lot faster than typing the PowerShell stuff. This should be created. We should have our URL, which we do. Awesome. So now I'm going to open up PowerShell on my computer. Just this is just an example of the webhook. But you can send a webhook from many different platforms. I'm happy to go more into depth with how, webhooks if people really want to learn that. That's not really something we cover in 5 minutes. But it is definitely something that we can cover. I don't know why it's not grabbing my PowerShell window. There we go. Okay. Here we go. Nope. All right. Perfect. Take this webhook URL. We go back here. Now we have our HTTP webhook URL. I'm going to show you the kind of a trick here. So we'll send the webhook. It sent it. How much time do we got? I think we got plenty of time still. There we go. 1 minute, 34 seconds. Let's go to Teams really quick and just see if it's sent through. It did. I can see it right here. Okay, so right now it just sent over the default text. So let's actually take this text here. We're going to do JSON body. We can do generate payload as sample. This should generate that. So now we have an object here. So in here, we can actually just go in and send the, now we'll get variables. So we can send text, save that. Now we can say, or from webhook. Say that one more time. Go back to our timer one more time. 37 seconds, plenty of time. We're going to run the trigger one more time. And this time what we should see is that it doesn't actually show in JSON format. It should actually just say, this is the alert from the webhook. Awesome. So again, I hope this was helpful. This is mainly to talk about the upcoming changes to Teams. The upcoming changes to Teams are going to no longer allow for webhooks, which just means you're going to no longer be able to send webhooks directly into your Teams channel. You're going to have to use Power Automate. Thanks, Justin from 5 Minute Flows. Bye.